This video will show you how to assemble the Garden Patio Decor bar chair. In your packaging, you'll find everything you need to complete your bar chair installation, including components, screws, and the hex key tool. Let's begin by attaching the front legs, B and C, to the seat panel, A. Use 3 S1 screws and your T1 hex key to secure each leg to the base. Next, install the front support rod, part D, between the two legs. Make sure that part D is pointing out. Secure each end with 3 S1 screws using the T1 hex key. Now attach the side supports, components E, one on each side. Insert 1 S1 screw on each side and tighten it with your hex key. Attach additional side supports, components F, on each side by following the same steps as components E. Lastly, flip the chair upright and attach the backrest, component G. Use 6 S1 screws, 3 on each side, to fasten the backrest securely into place. Then insert 4 more S1 screws, 2 on each side, to securely fasten the 4 side supports to the legs. And that's it! Enjoy your new bar chair, and thank you for choosing Garden Patio Decor by NewTek Wood.